This is Car Launcher Pro in my Volvo XC90 P2, and it's operating on a Android unit here, and it works really well. In fact, I've tried several car launchers and this is by far my favourite. However, it has a couple of fundamental issues with it that I'm hoping the developers can resolve for me. The first thing is that the icons on the top right hand corner of the screen, these along with the any car logo, disappear completely once I turn the ignition off, wait for a while, and then turn the ignition back on again. They'll just disappear, and I'll show you that now. So I'm going to turn the ignition off completely. I'm going to take the key out of the ignition, and we're going to come back to this video once I have turned the ignition back on again and then waited for the Android logos to disappear. So the ignition is off. We're now going to turn the ignition on, and you'll see the system booting up. We will just wait for it to boot up. Takes a few seconds. And then, as you can see here, the two application icons, oh, it's going into Waze, that's fine. So the two application icons that did say Waze and Google Maps, the icons have completely disappeared. If I press those buttons now, the circles with the with the icon in the center there, that the plus icon there, it won't do anything unless I actually hold it down, and then it will allow me to reselect the applications. You can see the Volvo logo at the bottom there in the centre has completely disappeared. And yet, if I go into settings, its screen, you'll see the placeholder for the Volvo logo is actually there. So it's really peculiar, and that is a problem that I've encountered. I've not worked out a solution yet. I have reached out to the developers. They have come back to me and asked me for more information, which I provided. So let's hope that they can resolve this issue, and if they do, I will post an update to this video. Thanks for watching, and if you can subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks very much. Any questions, post them in the comments below. Thanks. See you soon.